This is the final preparation of the quad now. I have my friend here, Kipi. He rides a Kawasaki, so we'll be together. We're going just preparing for the final test. You can see the tank is finally in. Use a stupid rubber band for the fuel cap and all. Now I think I'll just ride without the seat and all. So you just have to check if the sprocket will actually skip off. It's okay. Kipi, any few words?
Yeah, this thing has 1,000 horsepower, automatic clutch. You don't need to shift gears. It's really nice.
No, maybe you can edit that out. Yeah.